beef tenders.
Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? It's your man Charlie Anthony, aka Tech, with another TNT Autozone video. And today's a quick video on how to reset the oil warning light on a 2007 Chevy Tahoe. And I got an oil change the other day, but they didn't reset the light, so it says 4% oil life remaining. So this one's pretty simple. You're gonna come over here to the dash panel. You're gonna hit the information button. You see the information button changes everything up here. So you're gonna come to the oil life. Then you're gonna hit the check button and hold it. And there you go. Very simple. So 100% oil life. Like I said, I just changed the oil 2 days ago. They forgot to change the oil reset light. So it's your man Charlie Anthony. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'm out.